Guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd show you the stuff that they're taking out now, all of the spring stuff. So here you have these nice bottles here, guys. Aren't they nice? They say work that crown, and here's the toucan, and here's the tropical vibes only, and then you have the flamingos. Then you have these glasses over here, the watermelon. This one has the mason jar in pink and the mason jar in yellow. Then you have, look at this. This is like mermaid tail cup. And then this is a seashell one, guys. I can't, let me see if I can take one of these down. So you have these kind of bowls. They're pretty huge. Then you have these clear multicolor ones. Then they even come with the matching napkins. Isn't that nice? This one says work that crown, tropical vibes only. That's really nice. And then they have your outdoor placemats. And you have the seashell trays, and these are the plates. These are really nice, guys. And then I'm loving the color. Isn't that awesome? Those are beautiful colors, and look how huge the platters are, guys. I'm loving that. And then this is the coral. So we get into the coral section. They even have the dishwashing mats, and then they have the quality of the pot holder. The pot holder mitts are getting better. They're nice and thick. Then they have these plastic gloves, and then they have the little food tents. And here you have this really nice coral color and the ice cubes. So the ice cubes here, you have the silicone on the bottom, and you have them in this coral color, this lime green, this blue, and this like red color. Then you have these new bowls, and here's the matching cups. Then you have the tablecloth and the hand towel, and I have even the paper plates. Like this is lime, the half lime plates, and the napkins are even coming like this too. Here's the food tent, and then here is the placemat. And you have the matching towel, and here are the plastic cups and the little drinking cups. It's so nice, guys. I love the way they match stuff. So, now this one has this design, which I didn't see last year. These paper plates, and then you have this kind right here, and then you have the watermelon. Also with the matching tablecloth, the food tent to cover. You know, I'm loving the towels. What does this one say? Wear a crown and be sweet. That's this one. And this one over here is all florals and a pineapple. So that's really nice. Then they have the red placemat, and then this one says life is sweet. Then they have the red placemat, and then the fruits over there with the fruit towel. Now the ones with the fruits has the cups. Look at these guys. This is a 4 set of the ice cream bowls with the spoons. Isn't that sweet, guys? And it comes in the pink. Then you have the watermelon, lemon, and lime platter. Then you have the bowls, and here are the plates, guys. So then you have all the accessories are in red, and they even have the dish drying mats with coordinating colors. And I'm loving these paper plates too. And then here's the whole lime side. So and they also have the lime ice cream bowls too. So it's all matching. So I'm loving it. So then if you look up here, you have these cups here. This one says catch me by the sea. Wear my crown and be sweet, stand tall. So all of this stuff is matching. Then they have the kids drinking cups. This is the shark, the watermelon, and the beach ball. Then you have your water cups here. And the same designs here, all matching. I think that's absolutely wonderful. Let's take a look to see what's on the other side. Just bringing the spring stuff out, and they're trying to get rid of the Easter. So they have the welcome signs and the butterfly, and here they go. And here they go in the ladybug. So the ladybug is new. And then I'm loving the flower, and then here's the frog. And you know what else I love, guys? Those flowers and those colors. They're so nice. And here's the galvanized metal butterfly. I think that's so beautiful. And here you have some more. These have the hooks. And then you have the wooden bamboo wind chimes. Those are really nice. And then you have all of the watering containers, and then you have the knee rests. So over here, I'm noticing, I didn't notice this last year. This says you're a grand old flag. So I think this is for, isn't this the 4th of July? I'm not sure, but anyway, the second one says welcome. And they have your big pots. These pots are getting bigger every year. So then they have the lights. Well, here are the stones, okay? You have the friends, the sunshine, all of that. And then you have these that say hope, love, peace, and I think that's it. That's those. And then they have the lights out, the LED lights. You have them right here. So let's see. Yep, they all light up. And you have your hanging pots, but these pots over here are pretty huge, guys. So then they have the hanging pots with the string already in them, and then they have these long ones. I love the long ones. So of course, you know, you have the hanging chains, and then you have the hooks over here, and then you have the galvanized metal pots right here. Now these are the rolling, these go on the bottom of the pots, and they have the rollers on the bottom. You can roll them around, and I'm loving the design on these pots over here. Pretty nice. So then if you come over here, you're going to have all of your gardening tools and your gardening shears, and even your spray nozzles right here. And here are the scissors. I love these scissors. So then you have the galvanized metal pots over here. And this is new, this color. I don't think I've ever seen this olive green color. That's a new color. And I'm loving the navy blue too. That's really nice. So then you come over here, and you know you have your 3-pack of the clay pots. Then if you go slightly bigger, they're a 2-pack. And then over here you have, there's 12 here. This is like for starting to plant stuff. Then you have the 3-pack of the pots here in this size. 4-pack in this size. You see the difference in size? It's a little bit smaller. You have them in those 3 colors there, and then you have the pot hangers, which I think is so adorable. Then you have the flexible tie. Guys, I'm absolutely loving this stuff. And here's a mosquito repellent bracelets, and then here is the skeeter beater, the citronella candles. So I think they're pretty stocked in this Dollar Tree over here. Then they have the hummingbird nectar. So I thought I'd show you what they have as far as the gardening stuff over here, and what they're putting out for spring as we're getting ready for it, and some of the summer stuff. So they're still putting it out, guys. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.